Did you know that owls cannot move their eyes? Wonderful, isn't it? Welcome to the show. Nice to see you again. The little egret, Egretta garzetta, is a species of small heron in the family Ardeidae. It is a white bird with a slender black beak, long black legs, and, in the western race, yellow feet. As an aquatic bird, it feeds in shallow water and on land, consuming a variety of small creatures. It breeds colonially, often with other species of water birds, making a platform nest of sticks in a tree, bush or reed bed. A clutch of 3 to 5 bluish-green eggs is laid and incubated by both parents for about 3 weeks. The young fledge at about 6 weeks of age. Its breeding distribution is in wetlands in warm temperate to tropical parts of Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia. A successful colonist, its range has gradually expanded north, with stable and self-sustaining populations now present in the United Kingdom. In warmer locations, most birds are permanent residents. Northern populations, including many European birds, migrate to Africa and southern Asia to overwinter there. The birds may also wander north in late summer after the breeding season, and their tendency to disperse may have assisted in the recent expansion of the bird's range. At one time common in Western Europe, it was hunted extensively in the 19th century to provide plumes for the decoration of hats, and became locally extinct in northwestern Europe and scarce in the south. Around 1950, conservation laws were introduced in southern Europe to protect the species, and their numbers began to increase. By the beginning of the 21st century, the bird was breeding again in France, the Netherlands, Ireland, and Britain. Its plumage is normally entirely white, although there are dark forms with largely bluish-gray plumage. In the breeding season, the adult has 2 long plumes on the nape that form a crest. There are similar feathers on the breast, but the barbs are more widely spread. There are also several elongated scapular feathers that have long loose barbs. During the winter the plumage is similar, but the scapulars are shorter and more normal in appearance. The bill is long and slender and the lores are black. There is an area of greenish-gray bare skin, at the base of the lower mandible, and around the eye which has a yellow iris. The legs are black and the feet yellow. Juveniles are similar to non-breeding adults, but have greenish-black legs and duller yellow feet, and may have a certain proportion of grayish or brownish feathers. During the height of courtship, the lores turn red, and the feet of the yellow-footed races turn red. Little egrets are sociable birds and are often seen in small flocks. Nevertheless, individual birds do not tolerate others coming too close to their chosen feeding site, though this depends on the abundance of prey. They use a variety of methods to procure their food. They stalk their prey in shallow water, often running with raised wings or shuffling their feet to disturb small fish, or may stand still and wait to ambush prey. They make use of opportunities provided by cormorants disturbing fish, or humans attracting fish by throwing bread into water. On land they walk or run while chasing their prey, feed on creatures disturbed by grazing livestock and ticks on the livestock, and even scavenge. Their diet is mainly fish, but amphibians, small reptiles, mammals and birds are also eaten, as well as crustaceans, mollusks, insects, spiders and worms. Little egrets nest in colonies, often with other wading birds. On the coasts of western India these colonies may be in urban areas, and associated birds include cattle egrets, black-crowned night herons and black-headed ibises. In Europe, associated species may be squawko herons, cattle egrets, black-crowned night herons and glossy ibises. The nests are usually platforms of sticks built in trees or shrubs, or in reed beds or bamboo groves. The 3 to 5 eggs are incubated by both adults for 21 to 25 days before hatching. The young birds are covered in white down feathers, are cared for by both parents, and fledge after 40 to 45 days. Thanks a lot for joining us. We will meet soon. Take care.